we are going to look at the metric system of length, capacity, and mass. It is very different from the imperial system, which is used in America, which they use yards, gallons, and inches. So let's go and first look at length. Okay, in the metric system, length can be measured either in kilometers, meters, centimeter, or millimeter. So to convert from kilometer to meter, you multiply by 1,000. From meter to centimeter, you multiply by 100. And from centimeter to millimeter, you multiply by 10. So it's very simple, 1,000, 100, and 10. If you are doing the reverse, if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, you divide by 10. And centimeter to meter, you divide by 100. And from meter to kilometer, you divide by 1,000. So let's look at two examples and see how we go. Okay. So if you are to convert 3.25 kilometers to centimeter, we are here and we want to go there. What we do, we just take this 3.25, take 3.25, you multiply by 1,000, and then you multiply by 100 for you to get to centimeter. So you put in your calculator and the answer is going to be 325,000 centimeter. That is not too bad, right? Okay, now we look at the second example. I'll leave the diagram up there. So 359, you have to convert 359 millimeter. You are here. You want to convert to meter. So what you do, you're going to take 359. You are going to divide by 10. And then you're going to divide from centimeter, you're going to divide by another 100. And you put in your calculator, and the answer is going to be 0.359 meters. That is how you convert kilometers to centimeters and millimeters to meters. Okay, great. Now we shall look at the second metric system. It's called the mass. Okay, the mass is how heavy you are, how weight. So there are three main categories in metric. It's either the tons, the kilogram, or the gram. Okay, so to convert, this is very simple. To convert from 1 ton to kilogram, you multiply by 1,000, and from kilogram to gram, you multiply by 1,000. If you are going the other opposite direction, from gram to kilogram, you divide by 1,000, and from kilogram to ton, you divide by 1,000. So let's look at another two examples. Okay, so we are going to convert 7.13 tons to kilograms. So you are here, you want to move here. So you take that number 7.13 multiply by 1,000 and you get the answer straight away. Going to be 7,130 kilogram. Okay, great. Now we do the second one. We are going to convert 50,000 grams. So we are here. We want to convert to tons. So what do you think you do? So you take the number 50,000. You divide by 1,000 to get the kilogram. And then you divide by another 1,000 to get your ton. Okay. And the answer is going to be 0.05 tons. Okay. So that is how you convert the mass in metric system. Okay, last but not least, we are looking at the next measurement. It's called capacity. Capacity is usually measured in kiloliters, liters, or milliliters. So it's quite similar to the mass. From kiloliters to liters, you multiply by 1,000. Liters to millimeter, you multiply by 1,000. If you are on the other way around, milliliters to liters, you divide by 1,000. And from liters to kiloliters, you divide by 1,000. Again, we'll look at two examples. So if we are to convert 2.79 liters to milliliters, you are here. You're going to be there. So you just take 2.79 multiply by 1,000. And that will give you 2,790 milliliters. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Yep, 2,790 milliliters. On the other hand, if you are 6,000 milliliters and you want to divide to go to kiloliters, you have to divide twice by 1,000 each time. So what you do, you are going to take 6,000. You are here. You divide by 1,000. And then you divide by another 1,000. And you got the answer of 1.006 kiloliters. So that is how you convert the metric system in length, mass, and capacity. Have a good one, everyone, and see you soon.